To understand what RNA is, we have to take a closer look at how the human body works. Our body is made up of a large number of different cells, and in each of these cells, we have DNA. The DNA contains a huge number of instructions on how to make all the different proteins in the cell, which are the important building blocks that the cell needs. And when the cell needs a particular building block, it first copies the instructions onto a shorter blueprint, and this blueprint is what we call the RNA. The RNA is then used to guide how a new protein is made. And together, all these different proteins make sure that the cell works as it should. But sometimes things go wrong. Inherited diseases are caused by mistakes in the DNA, and these mistakes are then also copied into the RNA. This means that the proteins will also have the mistakes in them, and they can't work properly, and the cell cannot function as it should. And this is what makes people sick.
Here at ProQR, we are developing RNA therapies. These RNA therapies are consisting of short RNA molecules which we are synthesizing in our laboratories. RNA therapies are given periodically and are applied locally to the diseased organ.
RNA therapies are specifically designed to repair the mutation in the patient's RNA without having to change the patient's DNA.
The aim of an RNA therapy is to restore the function of the protein and the cell.
And in doing so, we hope that that will either stop or potentially even reverse the course of the disease.
Well, it's very exciting. A lot of new ways to repair RNA have been discovered in labs around the world, including at our labs. We are now focused on transforming these technologies into medicines for patients.
There's much work that still needs to be done. Still, many of these diseases don't have treatment options available. Rare diseases can be a huge burden on the families and those affected by them.
So at ProQR, we developed several RNA technologies
that could potentially target many genetic disorders.
Thousands of genetic diseases.
And we intend to deliver these medicines and make a real impact on people's lives.